Meaning of flout.
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 Flout. Flout means to openly disregard or disobey a rule, law or convention, often in a disrespectful or contemptuous manner. When someone flouts a rule, they are deliberately breaking it without trying to hide their actions. This behavior can be seen in many different areas, from people who refuse to wear masks in public during a pandemic, to corporations that ignore environmental regulations. The result of flouting rules can range from minor consequences like a warning or fine, to more severe penalties such as imprisonment or loss of privileges.